So yeah, alright guys, so in last video like we have understood about like what are the tools that we need to install in our system. Okay, so Python we have installed and the VS Code ID that we have installed for our coding part, right? So one more thing we have to do before starting our series. So we have one OpenAI API account, okay, which basically required for like LLM integration and AI model in our Python code. Okay, so this is for creating that account we have to go to the site openai.com. Okay, I'll just go through that site. So here you can see we have to go to the platform.openapi. I'll add this link in the description for your easiness. Okay, so after going to this platform, like if you have the account then it's quite good enough, but in case if you don't have, you can just simply log in with your Google account or any of the account, right? So here you can see this is the landing page of this website, where basically we will get that API integration for the LLM models, right? So here we can see this is the dashboard where we can see the usage and the credit balance of our account, and this is the recent recommended models by the Open API itself, right, that we can use in our projects, right? So we have the column in the left side, we can see chat. Even we can just ask it is similar to chat GPT, which is basically based on this Open API only. So even we can ask the questions here itself with the chatbot, and even there are multiple things we can create agent as well, but this is no use on this playlist right now. We are just need an API key for the LLM models, right? So in order to get that API keys, so here you can see we have this API keys account right in the left panel, right? So from here we can just simply create a secret key. So let's say in our case I'm just giving one name, prompt engineering. Okay, and just select the by default and it will create one secret key. So this is the key that we are going to use in our complete project from end to end, right? So for now I'm just created a sample one. I'm going to delete this part anyways. Okay, so this is the thing, and in case of usage of this API that is not free that's what I need to confirm here. Like basically we need to at least deposit some account like balance in our this Open API account in order to use these APIs. So once you go to the setting part in billing section, the minimum balance like we need to add is $5, like it's near around 420 or 450 rupees in the Indian rupees. So like that's fine, like trust me, this 450 amount is like not enough, and whatever you are going to learn that will pay off, right? So here you can see currently my account is having already 4.99 balance that I have not used much. Okay, so minimum balance you can just like deposit $5, which is fine, and you can use your card and all anything for now. So after adding addition you can just remove your card. That's what I did already, as you can see. Okay, so this is the mandatory part for using the Open API keys, which is basically not free. So that's why we need minimum $5 in our account. Then after getting that we can get our API keys, as I showed you. Like from here we can create the API keys, and after that we can use in our VS Code, right, to call this LLM and all. And even like we can see the usage as well in the usage column. Here we can see like how much tokens we are called, how much total spends we have, right? So even we have a track. So like trust me, like this $5 is not going to be completely used in our complete playlist. So like it is going to just spend $1 at max. So $4 will remain still in case it will be used in the future users, right? So yeah, so at least just create this account and deposit $5 for now for the learning purpose and all, and we'll build some great projects by using these APIs. Okay, so that's all for this video. Let's see you on next video. Bye.